All right, now welcome to SC Casa Designs. We are continuing my new mini series on squatting down, um, on basically creating a unit that's going to stop the heat from going from my downstairs up to my upstairs. Currently, we have plastic hanging there for years. We've done that every year. Then we take it down when it warms up. So that was on the honey-do list. We're working on that now. So appreciate you following this little mini series. So far, it just seems like I'm showing you tips, woodshop tips. So in the first video we did, and then we did a mini video, was showing you how we came to the measurement for the first board, which we're going to be ripping. And we cut that off. We showed you basically how to use the woodpecker's saw square here. It's a very generous square. It is 18 inches. And now I have to cut the angle. And I showed you on the second video. Not sure if I'm going to put it at the end of the first one or whatever, so we'll see. We made that angle cut with the angle bevel and a sliding angle bevel. And now you can see we have our angle here. Now, while I can go ahead and free cut that, right? Go across and just follow the line and make that cut. I thought I would show you a safer way to do it, and that's once again by mounting this square and using that as a fence. And well, how did I measure this from here to here? It was very simple. First, make sure you remove your battery. There is no battery in there, okay? And basically level off, bring down the bottom of the saw, for me, with this DC S570. Please look up the video on reviewing this. I love doing out of the boxes. I really do. Unboxing. So to release the bottom support, you just do that. Push it down, lock it in, lift this out of the way, the blade guard, and then set it down. And what I did is I came to the end like this. I came to the beginning like this. And I'm looking good. I could see exactly. So basically, I kind of eyeballed it and said, I'll move it over so much. Once I got it near the blade, I then did as I just explained. And then I tweaked it by loosening these two clamps. So now I can spend all my time basically just concentrating on my safety. That being said, let's go ahead and put a battery in. So meaning that I don't have to worry, go, oh my gosh, I sneezed and now I got to get another 1x12. And this is a really nice piece of 1x12 pine. It's got some really nice design into it. So let's go ahead and not set that there because, you know, pine is going to dent pretty easy. Put our ear protection on and make this cut. So we're going to set it here, lift up the guard there. Drop the blade down so it can penetrate the wood, like this. Okay, figure that should be plenty. And let's make the cut. Okay, I like to lift the guard away so I could just start it and not having it lifted. Well, remember to remove that battery for safety. And that's it, my friend. Now, I've explained many times in my videos, when you cut away stock, and especially when you made this real custom angle cut, and let's just assume that it's the right angle, okay? I can use this as a template for the next angles I'm going to be using. That's give or take that, you know, the house settles over 103 years, right? So if it's still the same on the bottom, I can go ahead and use this. that will be one application to repeat that angle cut there. And I can also, there's other uses. You don't think about it until, oh man, what do I do with that piece? I could really use that for, so we set it aside, and there you go. Thanks again for watching. This is video number 3 in the series of, not even sure what I'm calling it yet. Take care. Let's have fun in the wood shop. Stay safe. And if you like what you see, subscribe. By all means, continue to follow the series so you can see this product when it's all done. Thank you.